Are you excited by the words market research, or is it something you wish that you'd never have to do? Well, you may love it or hate it, but let me tell you now that to be a successful business owner, you have no choice but to do it. Not just once, but at least, yes, at least every 3 months. I'd like to take you to the journey of diving deep into the world of business planning. Yes, we will focus specifically on market research and opportunity assessment. Exciting, right? Now, have you ever wondered how successful entrepreneurs identify gaps in the market and seize these opportunities? Be fully present now and let's uncover their secrets together. As you embark on your entrepreneurial journey, it's crucial to equip yourself with the right tools for you to make informed decisions instead of stupid guesses. Understanding your market, meaning the customers that you serve or want to serve, and then seeing and identifying opportunities can set you on the path to business success.